Log into LiveCompare with editor access. Expand workspaces and expand the workspace. If you don't have a workspace, right click on workspaces and create one, and you can call it my first workspace. Right click on workflows and do new workflow. Let's call this one find TPRT. Yes, find transports. So the purpose of this tutorial is to identify support packs to run the impact analysis against. Okay, so open your component palette, and with the first action, we are going to read SAP tables. So select the Read SAP Table action, where it says RFC Destination in your property editor, where it says Not Set. Click on the drop-down, select New, where it says Table Name. Click on the drop-down where it says Not Set, and select Edit. Type in Table E070. Click OK, and give it a result. So where it says Result Not Set, click on the drop-down, do New Table. And for the rows to read, where it says Not Set, click on the drop-down and select the new select list. Now click, drag, and drop the rows to the read and place it to the right of the action. Right-click on rows to read, select Edit Select List. And where it says T-code, under the field here, type in AS for user equals SAP, and then click Add, and then do AS for date, and then do you can do a between range or greater than or equal to. I'll do greater than 2016 01 so it's year, month, day. Click OK. Right click on the RFC destination and choose Edit RFC Destination. Select the system. This will be the system that contains your support stack or any transports that you want to find. But we do have AS4 user equal to SAP, so this will probably just find your support packs. Right click on Read SAP Table and run this only. Okay, I have 0 rows. I'm just going to broaden my date range here. You might find rows for this type of range, but in my SAP system here, it's been offline for a while. I'm just going to go back to 2013. Run this only. Okay, so I have 143 rows. So essentially these may be my support packs. So here are some support packs that I want to analyze. Okay, so I'm not sure what some of these are up here. I don't want those. I just want where TRKORR begins with S. So make note of that column header there, TRKORR. Go to your rows to read, choose Edit, add a third field, TRKORR, and then the operator is contains pattern S star. Run this only. So these are the support packs that I want to analyze. Now I'm just going to put it in the right format. So in your component palette, bring out the execute SQL action. Okay, and where it says result here, I'm just going to change the label to E070 results. Okay, Now, make sure there's a blue rim around your execute SQL action where it says source 1 not set. Wire that up to your E070 results, and you'll have a new result coming out. Okay, so right click on your execute SQL action, and third from the bottom, select statements, and then choose add and type in create table results as select TRKORR as name from source 1. Okay, right click on your action and run this only. So now I have a list of my transport names. This icon over here will export this data into Excel. So go ahead and click on this icon. Okay. And where it says this 0 here, just put in TPRT, all capital. Okay, and then delete your first row. So I have TPRT, that stands for transport, and then the transport name. So copy columns A and B. Next, click on this smartphone icon. That goes to the apps, the consumer interface. And select impact awareness and do new variant. Call this upgrade. Okay, click on upgrade. Now choose your, for system 1, your sandbox or your dev box. This is where you have collected cache already from. This is where you applied the support pack or support stack, and in LiveCompare you collected cache from that environment. Generally that will be a support stack, a sandbox or a dev box. And system 2, for those of you who may be in like a proof of concept phase, you haven't installed the LiveCompare transports into production yet. So go ahead and just choose your most recent copy of prod. Maybe that's a pre-prod, maybe that's a QA system, or a dev box or something. Just a different from your system, system 1. So system 1 is a SAP system that has the upgrade, and system 2 doesn't have the upgrade, but it has the most recent copy of production. If both systems have the upgrade, that's fine too. Essentially, you'll have very similar analysis. We're just tying the changing objects to the transactions that you should test that execute them. Now, in the selection is where we're going to paste in that step where we copied from Excel. So if you recall, we have a 2-column report here, and it's copied. So go back into that app and choose Edit, and then paste from Excel. Click Continue. Type in your email address here, and then again, for those of you who don't have the LiveCompare transports in production, you're going to have to use external data source for your usage stats, and you've probably already ran the workflows that populate the app stats external data source. So just go ahead and change that to yes, and you can either click run or save here, and then click on this run button here, and give it a few hours to run, and you'll have an email with the results once it's complete. Thanks for watching.